I want to talk about this grass-fed beef tallow from Stellar. I've been using a ton of beef tallow lately, kind of trying to move away from the seed oils, stuff like that, and I get great results out of using beef tallow. Right here today, I'm going to be doing up some pork chops, and I'm using my cast iron pan, and I'm putting a little bit of tallow in there to give it a little bit of seasoning and a little bit of coating in the pan to keep things from sticking. You can see right there, I've got it ready to go, fire it up, and this melts down really nicely. Maybe it was 45 seconds from it going like that on a high heat, and it brings it right down. I also love using this in cast iron. If you're a cast iron fan, you know that you want to make sure you keep it good and seasoned. Anything high fat is great, and this is a great way to do it. Besides the health benefits of using beef tallow, I love the high smoke point that you get with it. You can get a great sear. You can see right here, get a phenomenal sear on the pork chops. Now, I have seen people mention with some different beef tallows that they have a little bit of an off odor. I did not get that whatsoever with this brand, which is fantastic. You can see right here, they just came out of baking in the oven and they look fantastic. I'm going to get great results out of this. If you've been considering using beef tallow, I definitely say pull the trigger. I think this brand is phenomenal. I'm going to get a ton of use out of it. If you're looking for some great beef tallow, please click on the link in the description below.